We will solve a simple Diophantine equation with a fast visual cue. First, the problem. A squared minus b squared equals 19, where a and b are positive integers. Step 1. Use the difference of squares. Say out loud. A squared minus b squared equals left parenthesis, a minus b right parenthesis times left parenthesis, a plus b right parenthesis. Apply it to our equation. The product left parenthesis, a minus b right parenthesis times left parenthesis, a plus b right parenthesis equals 19. Here is the quick visual cue. 19 is prime. That means its only positive factorization is 1 times 19. So we must have a minus b equals 1 and a plus b equals 19. Add the two equations. 2a equals 20, so a equals 10. Now substitute into a minus b equals 1. 10 minus b equals 1, so b equals 9. Always check. 10 squared minus 9 squared equals 100 minus 81 equals 19. Perfect. Conclusion. The unique positive integer solution is a equals 10 and b equals 9.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time, only on MyVerseNats.